In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check block list on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. Tap at that gear to open up settings, and then just scroll down until you find blocking. Then if we tap at blocking, it will show us all the users and pages we have ever blocked on Facebook. So right here we can check that list. If we would like to unblock some user, we can tap at unblock button next to that user's name, just like that. You can see how we can easily unblock a user or Facebook page, and right from here, if we tap at add to blocked list, we'll be able to type the name of a person we would like to block. So I'm just gonna type in someone's name. In that way we can easily find someone's Facebook profile, and if we would like to block some particular user, we can just tap at block. That's how you can easily check block list on Facebook.